Hello viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have the Silvercrest Personal Care Rotary Saver for wet or dry shaving. Operating time 60 minutes, charge time 90 minutes, IPX6 saver protected against water jets. With a 3 years warranty, Li-ion technology battery. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual included. Oil for lubrication. Brush for cleaning. The cable for charging, type A to type C, 1 meter cable, no power adapter included. You can charge it from your power bank. Power adapter 5 volt 2 amp. Included we have one beard trimmer attachment, stainless steel. The cover, you can remove the cover. We have the 3 shaving heads. Press this button, release. Here we have 3 spring-mounted dual ring shaving heads for optimal contour adjustment. Very easy to open and close. You can clean it, lubricate, and of course you can rotate, remove this attachment and install the beard trimmer attachment. Press rotate. So easy. Ergonomic shaped housing with soft touch grip at the back. Here we have the on-off switch, the display, and obviously here it is the type C port. You can connect. Use your power bank or power adapter. Okay, 100%, fully charged. No need to charge, I like that. It will switch off after a few seconds. Very quiet, I like it. Nice, thumbs up. Here we can see on the cleaning symbol, the battery percentage, the power when it's connected, and the lock button. It has a travel safe. To enable, you can just press and hold the button. Now, there it is, lock it, doesn't do anything. Press and hold again the on-off button. Disable. Inside it has a Li-ion battery 3.7 volt 700 mAh. The multifunctional LED display, it is all clear to see everything. It has large numbers. Let's test on the other attachment. I like the sound, it is quiet. And of course you can pull and remove, clean the stainless steel blades. And it is very easy to install again. First at the back, press and it locks. And of course we have the bag. Everything fits at the bag. With a cable. It is a travel kit. Portable, it works with battery. Now the only thing that we need to do is test it on me. And that brings us to the end of our journey with the Silvercrest Rotary Wet and Dry Shaver. From its versatile performance to its comfortable grooming experience, this shaver has truly impressed me. You are equipped to achieve a smooth and effortless grooming routine. Need further assistance or want to share your grooming experiences? Don't hesitate to drop me a comment below. If you found value in what you've seen, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in, and until next time, stay stylish and keep shaving. Have a nice day.